Hey everybody, Steve here, and saw this post here from Clark again about he's having problems with these showers. And actually, what he's asking for is he posted this picture, and it's quite easy to accomplish. And I thought I'd do a quick video. So, first thing I'm going to do here is draw some outside walls just to have a space, and interior wall here to create his room. And let's just create this shower right here in the corner. And the first thing I'm going to do is just draw an interior wall, right from here to here. And then I am going to do Control B and break this wall. So we have two sections. Now the next thing you want to do is reverse this wall. Otherwise, they'll just rejoin back together, and we don't want that. I'm going to turn my line weights off. And I'm going to turn off the snap grid so you don't have to see that. So this is going to be the shower area. And the first thing I'm going to do, because I know it'll have it, is take the moldings off. And I'm probably going to take the moldings off in the rest of the place too, so that they don't draw on these. So we have this wall here, and let's make this just 36 inches, like a walk-in, or maybe 40 to make sure it's wide enough. Now open that wall and turn it into a railing. Then goes to the rail style tab and call it solid, no post. Make it 6 inches tall for your curb height. You can change these to 0. It doesn't really matter. And then this wall cap, I would just take this off. And the next thing we want to do is change the wall type. And what I found works is to create a tile wall. So I copy the interior 4 and call it tile 4. Name it whatever you want. And delete the drywall. And you just have one layer, and we will change this material to some kind of tile. So we'll go here to manufacturer, go to Dal Tile here, and pick a tile. I don't know. It doesn't really matter what you use. I'm just trying to show you how you might do it. Let's pick this one. It's gray. And change the thickness to 4.5, like a normal wall. We might want to make the line weights the same. Okay. And for some reason it shifts off center. I'm not sure why, but I'm going to make this wall the same type. I don't know why it does that. Anyway, let's just take a look here real quick, and I'm going to shove this back just so we can see here. And put a camera view. And there is your wall. Solid wall here, curb wall here. And basically, if you had a shower floor, I know I have stuff in here somewhere in my showers. Wall, yeah, floor material region. Let's just, it doesn't really matter what you use here. But now I have a floor. And then just use a wall material region for your walls, and you'll be done with the shower. Now, you can even click on this wall, and turn this into a pony wall. Put tile 4 on the bottom, and use glass shower on the top. Make sure you put it in the wall center. No need for a cap. And then maybe lower this to, I don't know, say 36. And you have your shower. I hope you can see that. Vector view might be better. There is, oh, see the curb that keeps moving. Somebody smarter than me might be able to answer that, why that keeps shifting off center. I'm not sure why that does that, but you might have to check that occasionally. And there is your shower opening. I mean, you can click this and actually drag this down if you don't want it to go to the ceiling, minus 12, say. And or you don't have to. But the other thing is you can go in plan view here, click on this wall, hit Control B, and maybe right there in the center, reverse this wall so they don't join together, and say it's not a pony wall and just tile 4. Yep, and you can center them again. I'm not sure why this is, but there you go. You have a pretty nice looking shower pretty quickly. You can butt your vanity against here, whatever you want to do. You could do this really with polyline solids too. So this is really not magic, but you can do it with walls. So one more thing I want to talk about is you can use polyline solids to cap these walls. So if you use a polyline solid tool here, and let's say you want to put something on top of this curb, open it. It's about 1 inch thick, so leave that, and we are going to put it 6 inches to the bottom because the curb is 6 inches tall. And the materials we're going to use, we'll just paint it the same. So what I'm going to do here is just make it the same width as the wall, and then I'm going to pull it out about 1/2 inch each way. Minus 0.5 on this side. Let's take a look. Oh. Well, there it is. I wonder why it didn't go where I said it should go. Oh, finished floor to bottom 6. There you go. And, oh, it's finished floor. My fault. From the floor. There we go. There we go. And then just take your eyedropper tool, pick up this tile, and paint it if you want it to be the same tile. You may want it to be a marble. And I know there's all sorts of marble in here somewhere. Let's just type in marble and find something. Come on. Come on, Chief. There we go. The blue-gray marble. I don't know. I'm not worried about what these look like. I'm just showing you what you can do. And you can just copy this here. Put it over here. And then put the bottom at 36. And center it on this wall. And just pull this to here. Pull this to here. And then maybe 1/2 inch over. And we'll take a look, and you got that one capped, and there you go. So you can easily make this very custom, and there's glass right here. For some reason, this green isn't really, well, it's just not very, it doesn't show through very well. I'm not sure if I've messed with that or what, but I don't know if I can lighten it a little bit. Try that. There you can see it at least. So I hope that helps. Combination of walls and polyline solids, and you can use polyline solids, or right out of the catalog there's some clips and hardware that you can use to anchor these, show anchors for these parts, and there's your shower for you.